Hi everyone, hope you all are doing good. I'm here with another video to provide a quick update for the month of May of my WealthSimple portfolio. I started investing in WealthSimple at around last week of January 2021. Started off with a TFSA account mainly focusing on dividend stocks. Later, when CP Rail announced the stock split, I opened a personal account and so far have invested only on CP stocks in that account. I also have a crypto account just for the curiosity of cryptocurrency. In this video, I will go through these accounts and provide an update on my transactions and dividends earned for the month of April. First, we will have a look at my TFSA dividend portfolio, which is my main account. So far, I have invested $2,807 into this account. I also transferred some of my stocks from BMO Investor Line account to here. The total worth of that transfer was $5,197. I have made a video on how to trigger the in-kind transfer process. The link to that video should be on the right top corner now. For the last month, I kind of have a steady growth with a gain of around $404, which is a 4% growth. Now, if we look at 1 week chart, it is at $322 at around 3% growth. The spike here is more of the new transfer that I made from my bank account. And 1 day chart is at 1%, kind of a flat chart. In my portfolio, I do have 18 stocks, mainly concentrated in financial and energy sectors. My top 5 gainers from my portfolio are BMO, around 88% of increase. I bought this in my investor line account during March 2020 when the major dip happened. I didn't have any additional money at that point of time, else I would have added more into this or other strong stocks. That was a great time to buy quality stocks. LIF, Labrador Iron Ore, around 30.51% of all-time increase. This one I wanted to add more as it is a very good dividend yielding stock. The next one is Keyera Corp. This is an oil and gas company and I have a profit of around 25.62%. Ryokan. This is one of the REIT that I own and it's currently sitting at around 24.51% of increase. The last one is CNQ. I have a growth of 23.76%. This one also I transferred from my BMO Investor Line account. This is one of my earlier stocks that I invested in, averaged the cost multiple times to have this present growth. Now let's look at those stocks that are not performing well presently. Currently I only have 2 stocks that are in red. AQN, Algonquin Power and Utility. Been down for a while now, currently sitting at minus 3.85% loss for me. This is a very good dividend stock. The next one is Enbridge, another stock that I transferred from BMO. A bit down of around 1.62 loss. I believe I bought this at a really high price, but again bought during the dips to average this out. Now let's look at what all stocks I have bought this month. I bought 4 shares of Imperial Oil at a price of $36.97 per share. This was a new addition to my portfolio. I already have invested in other oil and gas stocks like Pembina Pipelines, Keyera Corp, Enbridge, and Canadian Natural Resources. However, Imperial Oil had a very good quarter, exceeding the market expectation, and also are planning to invest more into their company. So this made me look further into it and decided to invest in this company. Then on May 12th, when the renewable sectors was going down, I bought 5 shares of Algonquin Power and Utility Corp at $18.44 per share. And on the same day, I also bought 5 shares of TransAlta Renewables at $18.50 per share. This was a good opportunity for me to reduce my average cost. So currently I have 15 shares of both AQN and RNW, and as you saw earlier, Algonquin for me is still at a loss. However, I was able to reduce the average cost of TransAlta Renewables, and currently it stays in a profit. Later on 19th of May, I invested in 10 shares of Canoe EIT Income Fund. It's a high dividend yield stock. The buy price was around $11.87 per share, and the last stock I bought was C and Rail, ticker CNR. One share for the price of $126.03, bringing my overall count to 4 shares. So total this month I invested $577.31 into my portfolio. Let's now look at the money that came into the account. I mean the dividends. So I do have some monthly dividend paying stocks, and my future plan is to invest a bit more into these stocks so that I can get the dividends every month. The dividend earners for May are Ryokan, a REIT at 0.40 cents, EIT, Income Fund, which comes under financial sector, $1. Next month I will see an increase in this as I have invested more into this stock. Pembina Pipeline, oil and gas sector stock, $1.26. SIA, which is Sienna Senior Living and Healthcare Sector Company, around 62 cents. SRU, Smart Centers, this is the second REIT that I own and it has 77 cents. Keyera, another oil and gas company, around $1.28. BMO, this is the biggest of this month by far. It is a quarterly dividend paying company, and this quarter the dividend is $19.08. XIU, the only ETF I have, this is also a quarterly dividend paying stock, and the dividend is 99 cents. RNW belongs to renewable utility sector. The current dividend is $1.17. I will see some increase for this stock in the dividends for the next month. So a total of $26.57. The last month the total dividend was $13.79. It's always great to see the increase in dividends month by month. The other account I have is a personal account. I have invested in 5 shares of CP at a price of 448.12 per share before the split. I also bought 8 shares after the split. So now after the 1:5 split, total shares is 33 with a gain of around $207. In this account, my main focus would be CP Rail, but I will also invest in other growth stocks. Apart from this, I invested some amount in crypto. This was just for an experimental purpose, more on a curiosity level. And as you can see, it's not doing good. I will not be investing any money on crypto here, but will hold on to this for some time. Of these 3 accounts, my TFSA dividend portfolio would be the one that I will be focusing here on this channel. The channel was actually created to document the progress of this portfolio, a dividend portfolio small account challenge. That was the aim. That's it from my side for today. In case you are still watching my video and not subscribed yet, please subscribe. That will be great help. I will try to bring weekly videos on major stock news, analysis and portfolio updates. Thanks for watching. Stay safe. Take care.